It is a call to serve of the National Youth Service Corps, the Education CDS group of Esa Northeast Local Government, Edo State, carried out an outreach in one of the schools called Building Group of School. Then this outreach focuses on the girl child only. Then selection were made of JSS 1 to 3. Then they were sensitized on the topic menstruation, the importance, the good hygiene tips, and what to do. So guys, we are here. We are out for our CDS outreach. Yes. So we are in the school
called Good Hygiene.
Yes. Esa Northeast Local Government.
Nuromi. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't only subscribe, like, comment
and follow. Turn on the notification. Okay, just as I was saying, we are here, and I have my colleague here. So we are here for sensitization.
Yes.
So life of a copper in a rural area. So here is our president. Our able president. Yeah, you see our good president. So we are here, the life of a copper in the rural area. So here we are in Uromi. Yes. So see these beautiful faces. We are here to serve. We are serving our nation. Thank you guys for the support so far. So here is the principal of the school officially welcoming us, and he was so impressed to see us around. So here he is. He has already prepared the hall for us, then trying to mobilize the girls, students only that will be sensitizing today for this outreach. So he was so impressed. Here we are all heading towards the hall. Yes, so this is the environment of the school. It's a rural area. So that is what we're up to basically. And this outreach was all fun. So here we are in the hall, the principal and the teachers chasing out the male students, so only the female student could be inside the hall. So here is my CDS president officially introducing herself and the rest of us to the students. And here we kickstart officially. Guys, you see my CDS group members, they are making my service here in this town so memorable for me so far. I really enjoy the vibes around these people. So moving on, here is my president introducing the topic. Two other couples came up after the president to facilitate. Then after which I myself, I came on board. Yes. So after the two persons have spoken, menstruation is not something you should be shy about. Every woman on this earth that is healthy and normal has experienced menstruation before they eventually clock menopause. So when this menstruation we are talking about, when will it be a concern for you to see a medical doctor? When you have severe pain, some persons, if they are on their menstruation today, they cannot go out. They will be in their house, rolling on the floor. When those pain are severe, you are not tolerating. Please talk to your mom, talk to your dad. Go see a doctor. Don't go to chemist and buy, sometimes buy drugs and take. Don't do that. Go see a doctor. The other one, when you should go see a doctor, when you are experiencing heavy bleeding. Yes, some have low flow, some have heavy flow. But once your own is becoming heavier, maybe you put on pad. In 2 to 3 hours, it's filled up. You wear another one, it happens. Then cause for concern. You go see a medical doctor. When you see a medical doctor again, is when you have irregular menstruation. So here I was being practical, yes, fixing layering of pad, fixing it properly to keep you safe all day. I was really practical here. So here I was layering the pad. Yes, it's a tip, and a lot of persons, even some of my couples were like, I didn't know this tip before. They were happy that I experimented it. If you want me to make video on this tip on how to layer your pants when you are on, that you can wear it from morning till evening and you still be fresh and you practice a good hygiene, let me know. So that's what I was showing on this video, laying up pad, then how to properly fix it even when you sleep, because I was explaining at a point for today that even at a point, even when you sleep, sometimes you wake up, you discover that your body is stained and messed up. So I also taught them how to layer the pad, how to fix it on the pants proper, so even when they sleep they won't wake up with all of that mess. So I gave them a hack for that. Yes, so just as I've said, if you want me to make video on these practical tips, let me know. I will make a video on this and I come and experiment on my channel, on this my YouTube channel. So yes, it was fun. They were happy, even as I've said, my fellow coppers as well. They learned a lot and they were also impressed. I must be honest with you. So that's it. Here I am. I've layered this very pad like 2-in-1. There is a way you insert, you stitch up and pad up, then you wear it. It's a hack I've learned from somewhere, yet, and it has been helpful. So with this tip, even for the new moms that are experiencing heavy flow, when you newly give birth, with this tip you are safe. You can use it all day. Even when you are traveling that you have to stay on the road from morning till evening, you can use this hack without being scared if you will get stained, if your body will be messy. You don't need all of that. You'll be as fresh as if you just want the pants. Yes, so that's it. You won't get stained. It's a very lovely hack, and is let me quickly add this here. Here I was trying to fix the pad, like layering it up. Then after, with this back part, like you lying down when you are on, then waking up, you discover that the back part, your back part is stained. The back part of your panties is stained. So I was giving out this hack on how to prevent that. So what you need to do, let me just quickly drop it here, is that on that back, after the other hack I taught before, you just place it on the back of your panties. Yes, you place it there. There's a way you level it up. Yes, you fix it properly, the wings. Yeah, you see what I'm doing. So that is how you place it. Even when you sleep all night with a heavy flow, you will still wake up very fresh and neat. So that's what we're doing here. Yes, so I was explaining to them that with this hack you can go a whole day, you can come to school with this hack, because some of them were like, some of the students, they want to put camera on their face, that's why I'm not showing it. So some persons were like, if they are on their period, they don't leave the house, they are unconscious of where they go and what to do. So I was explaining to them here, with this hack you don't have to do that. See what I'm doing? This for those heavy floor, you are leaving the house and you might not get to the house till in the morning, till evening, and you don't want to mess your body up. This is what you do. You see what I just did? Yes. This sticky pad, you remove it gently. You will see the cotton wool. Then this is what you do. This one you open. You open this again. Are you see what I'm doing? This is the longer part. Why this is the longer part too? So this is the shorter part. So you stick. You see what I'm doing? You stick, then come here. We're not done. You come here, you remove this. Then you stick to this other one. The wings. You stick this. Are you seeing? 2 parts in one. Yeah. This. Do you see what I'm doing with this? You are protected. This alone can take you from morning to evening. Now let's do this again. We are going somewhere. Where is the panty? Now you come to your pants. If I see your teeth, you come and experiment. You see what I'm doing? You see what I'm doing? Yeah. This is the shorter part, right? You stick the shorter part. Oh, this is the longer part. If I experience this, you wear clothes like this. Maybe you lie down, most especially at night. Before you wake up, your body did not stay. Your body is normal. Yeah. But this part of your bum will be stained. Will be stained. Have people experience it? Yeah. In that kind of situation.
Why are you looking at her?
So what I'm doing, see this back of this part. You see back? Now you bring this here, don't put it on top, but if you put it on top, this one might be messy. You can choose to, if you have SS part to play around, you stick it here. You see what I'm doing? Now you stick. Are you learning anything at all? Okay, let's stick it here. Then make sure it comes out in this place. I don't see what I'm doing. With this, even when you lie down, your pants won't even be stained. Only just remove trash and wash. Now this is what you do. Then if you want to add, maybe you want to double protect yourself, maybe for those that experience heavy flow, you take one of the pads, just one single one, stick to the pants. As you are wearing this one, you wear the other pants with it. You are good to go. Then if you still want to take it to the extreme, like you want to do extra.
After my practical teaching, Kopalina came and took her own and summarized and ended the lecture. So sorry, Kopalina, I know you are watching this video. I misplaced those clips, a lot of clips. Yours was included. I could not include that your clip. I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry. I know you will watch this video. So after which part was distributed, we distributed some part of which we bring our resources together to get the pad. Then the principal was so impressed, he was so happy, and he gave us a little token back home. He gave us a little token to transport ourselves back to where we came from. So some pictures were incited. Yes, we took group photograph with the guests, with the principal, and it was all fun. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, to comment.